Here I've got Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sound, and here you should go to phone ringtone. Now it's time to select one from the following options, so let me come with all of them and then select the one that I like the most. So let's start with attentive. And let me pick, for example, hello, then click on OK, and that's it. You've just changed the ringtone on your device in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.